Jennair error code on oven F2E1, stuck/shorted key. This after it was on for about an hour cooking ribs in upper and lower ovens at 350.
What happened just before your Jenn-Air oven displayed this message?
Nothing, it was cooking along.
How long has this been going on with your Jenn-Air oven? What have you tried so far?
For about 10 minutes, I tried unplugging oven to reset, but that didn't work. As soon as it booted up, it started with that message and chiming again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Error enumeration, aux1.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. Okay, if you killed power to the unit for at least 1 full minute and restored power and it came back to that error code, then that means it can't be reset and that the key/touchpad has failed and will have to be replaced to fix it. If you give me the model number of the unit, I will be glad to give you the part number you need to order. Thanks. If you have gotten the information you need and don't have any further questions, please let me know by at least responding back with thank you so I know you don't need anything else.
Hello, that was E-Grape0 model number JJW2830DP01.
Okay, the part number is, but I will go ahead and tell you that they are not cheap at all. You can probably buy a new range for not much more. Sorry for the bad news. You can just Google that part number and you will find plenty of places to order it from online if that's what you want to do, but at $600 to $800 you may just want to buy a new range.
Okay, thank you, Frown.
You are welcome. Sorry again for the bad news.
55357 and number 56397 and number 55356 and number 57339.
Guess that was emoticons you sent. We only see diamonds with question marks on our screen. If it was something else and you need help, let me know. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.